Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to share your profile or your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application. Now click on these three lines up here and click on profile. And now as you see here, you see this 3 points beside the edit profile. Click on it and here you will find share. So click share. Now you can share it to anyone you want. So that's it. That's how to share your profile or your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.